Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Nykaa haul. I have bought a bunch of products from Nykaa which includes skincare as well as makeup. So without further delay, let's start this video. It's Nykaa's Pink Friday sale and I have bought most of the items from my wish list. I have linked all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check them out. So the first product is this face roller that I have been waiting to get since long time, but it was really expensive. It was around 1499 rupees for this roller and I got it for 999 rupees. So this is how the product looks like. It is a marble. So I have been using this product since 2 days and it's too early to give a review about this product. So this definitely relaxes your muscles. So this is one of my favorite purchases so far. So I love using this, especially when I use a face mask. I just roll this over my face and it feels so relaxing and calm. So if you are planning to buy this product, just get it. This is the right time to get this product because Nykaa has great offers. The next product is this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has a glass packaging and it's very convenient to use. Since I have extremely dry skin, I cannot use all the face masks, but this is one of the face masks that I can completely trust because it just removes the dead skin cells all over my face and it makes my face soft. And it also gives a very nice glow after you use this. So if you are a dry skin person and you're looking for a mask so which can give a nice glow without drying out your skin, then you can definitely try this one, and it is on 13% discount, so you can grab this product. And the next product is again from the brand M Caffeine. I think this is going to be my favorite brand from now on because I have been loving their products and this body scrub is one of them. This is their M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub and this retails for 449 rupees, but I got it for around 360 rupees. I'm not sure the exact price, but you will get it for 12% discount. So definitely if you are planning to buy this product, do not have a second thought because this is one of the best body scrubs and you will love using this. It gives you a luxurious feeling when you use it. Your skin feels so soft after you use this scrub. I cannot use this daily because it's not recommended to use this daily, but you can use it at least once a week. You will see the difference in the first use it. And the scrub looks like this. This exactly smells like coffee. The particles are very mild and they are very soft. It's not going to harm your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you can definitely try this out. I got this product yesterday and I have already used it. This is one of the best scrubs I have used so far, which gives the result in the first use. So I have been using some other scrubs from other brand, but I did not see any effect until now. So this product gives you the results in first use itself because I have dry skin and it's very hard for me to maintain my skin texture. And after using this, I literally felt that my skin is really soft. And I have already recommended this product to my friends and families. I would definitely recommend this to anyone with any kind of skin because it's going to suit all the skin types. So if you are looking for a body scrub, then you should not miss this product. And the next products are these. These are the Love Beauty and Planet body wash and body lotion. So this is a combo. I got it for around 800 rupees. So both these products are 400 ml. The packaging is very nice. You can even travel along with these products, and it contains and these products are vegan and certified cruelty free and they have organic coconut oil. So if you have dry skin type, such products will not dry out your skin. So I stopped using soap because it was making my skin extremely dry, and then I switched to body washes and shower gels. And this is one of the shower gel which I felt it is not drying. It will not dry your skin because it has organic coconut oil and it is paraben free and sulfate free. So this is one of the natural body washes that are available in Nykaa. So you can definitely try this out if you have dry skin. And this body lotion is also very hydrating and moisturizing. And this has a floral fragrance. If you love such scents, then you can definitely try out this next. And the next product is this addictive kit from Face Shop. So this is how the packaging looks like. And there are so many skincare items inside this. The main reason I brought this product is it contained most of the products that I use, so this was a very good offer for me. So I got this whole kit for 1085 rupees. So we have the rice water foaming cleanser in this kit. So this is 100 ml, so it can be used up to 2 months easily. And then we have a big tub of Jeju aloe vera. So this is how the packaging looks like, and it is a very good quantity. I'm going to use it on my hair because I love using aloe vera on my hair. So this is also of great use. And then we have a face mask. So it's a very nice colorful mask. I've not used it yet, but I will be using it soon. It has a toner, it has an emulsion, it also has a serum, it also has a brightening cream. So these are and then it also has a cherry blossom hand cream. So I love using hand cream, so this is again going to be used by me. And so this whole kit is very useful, so I got it for 1085 rupees, so I think it is a very good deal. I also received a free sample from Mcafine. This is their body scrub. So this is a mini. So this is a travel size kit which you get as a free product if you buy any of the Mcafine products. And this is their body butter. And the next few products are makeup related. So I have got few makeup products. One of them is this foundation from L'Oreal. So it is a true matte super blendable foundation. So earlier I was using the matte foundation from Maybelline, and it used to dry my skin very much. I used to have flaky skin after you use that product. So I was looking for a product that can be used for dry skin type, and I found out that matte foundations are not really good if you have extremely dry skin. So I started looking for other foundations. So this is the product that I finally found. I have used this foundation today, and I feel it is really lightweight, and it is really good if you have dry skin type, because so far it did not cause any kind of irritation on my skin, nor did it dry my skin out. So I think this is very good if you have dry skin type. So this is how the product looks like. It has a pump packaging. So this is my shade Golden Beach. It blends really well into your skin, and it also has slight shimmer in it which will give a glowing effect to your skin. So far I'm loving this product, and if you are looking for a foundation for dry skin type, then you can try this product. And the last product I bought is the stick highlighter from the brand Maybelline. So this is how the product looks like. It is a stick highlighter. So this is very convenient to use. I have left the link to this product in the description box. If you want to check the price, you can check it out. That was all about today's video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.